Hello, friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are Learn English Conversation.
Hello.
Hi.
What's your name?
My name is Raj. What's your name?
I'm Anshu. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Are you new here?
Yes. I joined the school yesterday.
Oh, welcome. Which class are you in?
I'm in class 9B.
Me too. That's great. Where are you from?
I'm from Jaipur. We moved here last week.
Wow, Jaipur is beautiful. Do you like this school?
Yes, it's nice so far. Everyone is friendly.
I'm glad. If you need help with anything, just ask me.
Thank you. I really appreciate that.
So, what subjects do you like?
I like science and English. What about you?
I enjoy English too. I also like history.
History is okay, but sometimes it's hard to remember all the dates.
True, but our history teacher makes it interesting.
That's good. Who is your favorite teacher?
I like Mrs. Sharma. She teaches English.
Oh yes, I met her today. She's kind.
Do you live nearby?
Yes, just 10 minutes away by walk.
That's close. I live near the park. Maybe we're neighbours.
Maybe. Do you walk to school?
Sometimes, or I come by bicycle.
I might start riding a bicycle too.
That's a good idea. It's fun and healthy.
What do you do after school?
I do my homework, then play badminton with my sister.
Nice. I play cricket in the evening.
Cool! We should play together sometime.
Yes, that would be fun.
By the way, do you want to sit with me during lunch break today?
Sure, I'd love that. Thanks for inviting me.
Don't worry, we're all friendly here. You'll feel at home soon.
Thanks, Neha. You're really kind.
Anytime. Let's go. The bell is about to ring.
Okay, let's go.